Oh, okay. All right, I'm back home right now. It was a nice day. Journey had a wonderful time. You know, and then Janai. Oh Lord, you gotta love Janai. I'm having my Easter dinner. Church's chicken sandwich, Church's chicken, and corn on the cob. Yep. So I'm at home enjoying my Easter dinner in this Easter Sunday episode. Facebook Live Easter Sunday episode. And that was Sabrina's first debut on the show. Isha first debut on the show and stuff like that. So here I am enjoying my day at my house. I was supposed to stay home. I was really supposed to stay home. I wasn't supposed to go out at all. I was supposed to stay home. But had to go out there. So, yep, look around. Well, it's always empty back here. Normally teenagers are running around here. Well, they still run around here. Okay. So, as I'm standing here wandering around and stuff like that, wandering and stuff. Yeah, I love wandering sometime. Okay, so anyway, y'all, I'm just wandering around, just out here and there, here and there, here and there. All right. Pizza Hut is closed. Dominoes is closed. I assume Papa John's probably closed too. I could have went to Papa John's or whatever, but I decided not to. Okay. People broadcast about stimulus checks and all that. Keep it to yourself. If you have stimulus, keep it to yourself, bros. Okay? All right. So, yeah, I was. Oh, should I go pay my friend Shamika a visit if she's home? Whatever. Well, maybe I would. But anyway, I want to talk about something. Watching Bugs Bunny. Well, Bugs Bunny. All right. Excuse me. All right. So now that I'm home, relaxing and stuff like that, and Easter Sunday is almost over. Yep. That's all, y'all. Easter Sunday is over. And, well, almost over. Journey having a great time. Janai, the big sister, having a great time. Yeah. Yep. So, yeah. That's all to it. So, and TJ is online. I don't know if I should bring him on camera. Well, if I decide to bring him on camera, then I'll have to accept my request. Well, actually, I'm bring him on camera on another video. Okay, so I'm stop this and then, So, all right then. So, anyway, this Facebook Live episode of the Domino 7 Show, Facebook Live Easter Sunday, Journey's third birthday party episode, okay? All right, Domino 7 reminding y'all to help control the pet population. Have y'all pets spayed and neutered. Thank y'all for watching the Domino 7 Show, okay? Goodbye.